Om Namah Shivaya. Namaskar friends, welcome to Future Guide Astro Spiritual Channel. I am Dr. Rishikesh Devnath from Kolkata. Specialties in medical and spiritual astrology. Today I am going to share an important video on the occasion of Deepavali Dhanteras. You know, Deepavali is a great festival in India, 5 days long. Deepavali starts with Dhanteras, 13th day of dark phase of moon. Dhanteras starts with Dhan Trayodasi, ends with Jam Jamuna Baliraj Puja Bhai Dooj in the month of Kartik, while sun is in Libra sign. You know, Deepavali festival is the festival of light, enlightenment, prosperity and abundance. But this year, Deepavali is more than this. On Thursday, that is the day lord also Jupiter. Pushya Nakshatra is the birth nakshatra of Jupiter. And here Jupiter and Saturn are conjoined in Capricorn sign and directly aspect in the 7th house. A great auspicious yoga is formed this year. This is very rare happening. Therefore, performing puja, worshipping goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, god of wealth Kuber, and Siddhidata Ganesh is more and more effective this year. Will be more and more effective in this year. It's a great astro-spiritual connection in this year. Mythologically, at the time of churning of ocean, on this day of Krishna Trayodasi Dhanteras, goddess Mahalakshmi came out from ocean with wealth, prosperity and abundance, and god Dhanvantari, the god of healing, the father of Ayurveda, also came out from ocean with herbs and medicinal plants. Therefore, this Dhana Trayodasi also called the birthday of Dhanvantari Jayanti. Just next day of Dhanvantari birthday, in some areas of India, 14 types of herbs and medicinal plants are used as vegetable for care of disease and good health. And mythology about Kuberdev is like this. Once Kuberdev was the king of Lanka, made of gold, prosperity, wealth. But his stepbrother Ravana defeated him and thrown him outside the kingdom. After that, Kuberdev went to Shiva and satisfied Shiva by worshipping him. God Shiva made him the lord of north direction and at the same time the treasurer of Jaksha Puri, that is the god of wealth. On this day, there are many rituals are performed during these days of festival, during these festivals of Deepavali. On Krishna Chaturdasi Tithi, rituals are being performed, 14 Jamaat Arpan, and also in the evening, light also offered to Yama, the god of death, to protect the family members from untimely death and accident. In Amavasya, the new moon, 15th day of dark side of moon, the new moon, worshipping Mahalakshmi is performed for the world, prosperity and enlightenment. But this year the Deepavali timing is very auspicious because so many astro-spiritual yogas, connections and auspicious timings are combined on the day of Deepavali. Day of Deepavali festival's ritual will be very effective for everybody. But here the timings of festival must be calculated from astrological view because rituals of attraction of money, wealth, prosperity must be connected with the Second house, Dhana Bhava of Kalpurusha Kundali, and the timing, Shubh Muhurat, the auspicious time must be calculated astrologically while ascendant is rising in Taurus sign, that is Vrishava Rashi, and last for approximately 2 hours after sunset. The calculation on major cities are given in the chart. Please note the table of auspicious time, that is Shubh Muhurat in Indian major cities for Dhanteras Puja in 2021. The timetable is calculated from Indian ephemeris by N.C. Lahiri. The time period is nothing but the ascendant rising in Taurus sign, that is Vrishava Lagan. Dhana Bhava of Kalpurusha Kundali as follows: Guwahati 5:24 minute to 7:20 p.m. Kolkata 5:44 to 7:41 p.m. Patna 5:52 minute to 7:48 p.m. Lucknow 6 minute to 8 p.m. Delhi 6:18 minute to 8:12 p.m. and Chandigarh 6:15 minute to 8:09 p.m. Jaipur 6:26 minute to 8:22 p.m. Ahmedabad 6:46 minute to 8:40 p.m. Mumbai 6:52 minute to 8:48 p.m. Bangalore 6:41 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. Bhopal 6:26 p.m. to 8:23 p.m. Bhubaneswar 5:58 p.m. to 7:54 p.m. This is the time period of Taurus ascendant rising, that is Vrishava Lagan. The Dhana Bhava of Kalpurusha Kundali, and here the Shubh Muhurat, that is auspicious time of other places is India, can easily be assumed from the major cities timetable, and therefore the Shubh Muhurat or auspicious timetable of this chart is very important to note for Dhanteras Puja this year only. This year Deepavali festival is very important, beneficial for everybody. But from astrological view, there are only 6 signs those will enjoy the highest benefit of these Deepavali festivals. I shall discuss those lucky 6 signs towards the end of this video. Therefore friends, please stay tuned with this video until the end. Performing Lakshmi Puja. As usual, for more benefit, we can add Lakshmi Mudra while we listen or chanting Lakshmi Stotra, like this Lakshmi Mudra, just like this. See the picture, just like a lotus with 5 petals. And while chanting Lakshmi Stotra, positive thinking, goddess of wealth, money, prosperity and abundance is sitting on these lotus made by my hand, and the goddess of wealth, money and prosperity is showering money flow, property flow, wealth flow and abundance on me. I am visualizing her presence on my hand and showering wealth on me. I believe it from my heart, from subconscious mind, and salute goddess of wealth, Ma Lakshmi, with this salutation to goddess of wealth and property, Mahalakshmi Devi. Mahalakshmi Pranam Mantra. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Devi Namaha. Om Vishwarupasya Bharyasi Padme Padmalaye Shubhe सर्वतः पाहि मां देवी Mahalakshmi Namostute. After performing Kuber Puja, at the time of chanting Kuber Mantra, Kubera Bij Mantra, we can add Kuber Mudra for better result like this. Kuber Mudra like this. Reflexology. As per reflexology, these Kuber Mudra activate the right brain and left brain together and activate the subconscious mind, the positive thinking. Therefore, this Kuber Mudra is very effective for competitive examination. Any thinking and any planning goes to your subconscious mind to save it. The belief level is increased, thereby willpower is increased. For the success in the competitive examination, this Kuber Mudra is very important. With this Kuber Mudra, salute Kuber Dev like this. Now, Kuber Jap Mantra. Om Srim Om Srim Hrim Om Hrim Srim Klim Vittishrai Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Om Hrim Srim Klim Vittishrai Namaha. Om Srim Hrim Om Hrim Srim Klim Vittishrai Namaha. Kuber Pranam Mantra. Om Yakshaye Kuberaye Vaisravanaye Dhana Dhannadhipataye Dhana Dhannam Me Dehi Dapaye Swaha. So far I discussed here, it is applicable for general everybody. It will be highly lucky, highly beneficial for some signs. Number 1, Mesh Rashi, Aries sign. Number 2, Mithun Rashi, Gemini sign. Number 3, Kanna Rashi, Bhargo sign. Number 4, Tula Rashi, Libra sign. Number 5, Makar Rashi, that means Capricorn sign. And number 6, Meen Rashi, Pisces sign. Natives of these 6 signs will be benefited to the highest level. So far I am concluding this video now. I shall come up with new video next. Please drop comments in the comment box about this video and share the video to your near and dear ones. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Jai Ma.